Hi, I'm Angela from Fine & Country in Leamington Spa and welcome to our February market update. We've had a fantastically busy start to the year with a high proportion of homes across the region currently under offer. The housing market has proved one of the highlights of the economy in 2020, defying expectations and staging an amazing recovery. As we head towards spring 2021, market conditions are beginning to soften, but with lifestyle change continuing to drive demand, the market remains busy. Lockdown has led many people to re-evaluate their property needs. With many of us now working from home, the need for additional space and a garden has become a priority, which has continued to drive demand. According to Zoopla, the most popular search term across the housing market in 2020 was garden, and the search terms rural, secluded and detached also make it into their top 10. These lifestyle changes are likely to ensure continued interest in the prime markets. We have a significant number of sales agreed, with many of our buyers and sellers hoping to complete before the end of March when the stamp duty deadline ends, and this month we are predicting a record month in terms of exchanges. The premium market reflects the top 5% price bracket of all properties. Locally, properties in the premium market have increased in price by an average of 5.3% compared to the previous 12 months, and the annual change in average price nationally is up 9.73%, which shows the strength of the property market. Property prices across the prime market are also predicted to rise in the region of 4% over the course of 2021. While activity continues across the market ahead of the stamp duty deadline, there are signs that the pace of growth is beginning to soften. Buyer demand remains high, with Rightmove reporting demand up 12% in January. Zoopla, however, report a 12% fall in new supply and a 6% fall in the number of homes currently for sale, creating a seller's marketplace as demand outstrips supply. It remains to be seen whether the Chancellor will announce any extension or form of tapered relief of stamp duty at the budget on the 3rd of March. But by the end of next month, 15 million people are set to have received their first vaccine, which is great news. And once lockdown restrictions start to ease, consumer confidence and spending are likely to rise quickly. At present, forecasts indicate that the economy will return to its pre-pandemic levels within 2 years, with growth of 5.5% in 2021 and 6.6% in 2022. With the current restrictions, we are still able to carry out viewings and valuations whilst working safely within the current COVID guidelines. So if you're thinking of buying or selling or simply want some advice, we're here to help, so please do get in touch. If you would like your own copy of our premium market report so you can read and digest all that's happening in the premium property market, do let me know and I can get one to you. Keep safe everyone, and thank you for watching.